Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best wire feed welder is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your workshop. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, a reliable wire feed welder can be a game changer for various projects. From repairing metal structures to creating custom designs, the possibilities are endless. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one for your needs? Let's dive in and find out. Number 5. Forney EZ-Weld 140 FCI Flux-Cored Welder. This EZ-Weld 140 FCI uses 0.030 in flux-core wire. It has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control, so you can easily dial in the perfect weld. It's the ideal entry-level welder for your projects. With a 140 amp output, it can weld up to 1/4 inch of mild steel. This machine handles both 2 and 10 pound rolls of wire. Weighing only 19 pounds, it's easy to carry around. The package includes an 8-foot MIG gun, an 8-foot ground clamp, and a 20 amp to 15 amp adapter. It comes with everything you need to get started. Constructed with an all-metal case, this welder is built to withstand daily use. It's designed to be durable and reliable for all your welding needs. This welder is incredibly convenient because it doesn't require gas. You can run it off standard household power as long as you have at least a 20 amp breaker. It's ready to go when you are. Visit the Forney Amazon brand store to find recommended accessories and consumables. You can find everything you need to complete your welding projects. What we like. This welder is incredibly user-friendly, perfect for beginners. It's also super portable, making it easy to move around your workspace. And the best part? It doesn't require gas, simplifying your setup. If you're looking for a hassle-free welding experience for your DIY projects, this is the one for you. What people say. I finally managed to successfully weld a half dozen 3/4 nuts to a lawnmower blade. It melts up to 1/4 thick steel. Easy setup, flawless welds, perfect for DIY projects. Number 4. ARCCAPTAIN 200A ARC Lift TIG Welder. This welder features an intelligent LED screen, providing clear data display. It makes it easier to read the information without removing your helmet. It's perfect for various projects. The machine automatically matches current and voltage based on your settings, ideal for beginners. Professionals can also adjust the current to their needs. It ensures stable and continuous arc welding. Weighing only 7.2 pounds, it's easy to carry with the handle or shoulder strap. This makes it convenient for use anywhere, and easy to store. You can choose between stick or lift TIG welding modes. It includes adjustable hot start and arc force for smoother welding. Anti-stick features prevent the electrode from sticking. This welder has passed professional tests and certifications. It includes overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating protection. It also comes with a 2-year quality service. What we like. This welder features synergic control, automatically matching current and voltage for you. It's also a 2-in-1 machine, offering both stick and lift TIG welding capabilities. Plus, it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry around. If you are a beginner looking for a versatile and easy-to-use welder, this is a great choice. What people say. The welder has a smooth wire feed. The machine is easy to set up and use. It welds very well. Number 3. Lincoln Electric 90 IFC Welder. Need a welder that goes where you go? This versatile machine plugs into any 120V outlet. It's perfect for home workshops or even construction sites. The WeldPack 90 IFC comes ready to go. Included are a welding gun, nozzle, and more. The protective metal case keeps everything safe. Weighing only 15 pounds, this welder is easy to carry. The shoulder strap makes it ideal for maintenance and mobile welding tasks. Simple controls make it easy to use. 2 knobs adjust wire speed and voltage. The inverter power source provides smooth welds. This machine is ideal for DIY projects and home repairs. It allows fine-tuning of weld characteristics, making it perfect for various tasks. What we like. This welder is designed for portability, with a lightweight design and shoulder strap. It offers smooth and easy operation with simple controls. It's perfect for small welding tasks. If you have small projects or need a welder for home repairs, this machine will be a great addition to your toolkit. What people say. The welder has a smooth wire feed. The machine is easy to set up and use. It welds very well. Number 2. AZZUNO 135 amp 3-in-1 multiprocess welder. Introducing the AZZUNO 135 amp MIG welder. This machine makes welding easier with its synergic control. It automatically adjusts settings for you, perfect for beginners. The built-in parameters make it simple to use. It selects the right voltage, amperage, and wire feed speed. This feature simplifies the welding process. This machine does it all: MMA, lift TIG, and flux MIG welding. It's versatile for various projects. Please note that the lift TIG torch is not included. It handles .030 and .035 Flux-Cored wires. This allows you to weld without gas. It's a convenient option for many welding tasks. This 135A welder can weld up to 3.0 mm plates. It includes overload and overheating protection. You can use it with confidence. The welder is designed for .030 and .035 Flux-Cored wire. It is also compatible with E6013 rods in ARC mode. Contact us anytime with questions. What we like. This welder features synergic control for easy parameter adjustments. It's a multi-process machine, offering flux MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding capabilities. It's also designed with safety in mind, including overload and overheating protection. If you are looking for a versatile and safe welder, this one is worth considering. What people say. The welder has a smooth wire feed. The machine welds very well. The welder is easy to set up and use. Number 1. ARCCAPTAIN 160 amp ARC Welder. This welder features an intelligent LED screen for clear data display. It's designed to make welding easier, even without removing your helmet. It performs well with various rod types, making it ideal for different projects. The welder automatically matches current and voltage based on your settings, perfect for beginners. Professionals can also adjust the current to their needs. The advanced digital control system ensures stable and consistent welding. Weighing only 5.84 pounds, this welder is easy to carry with the handle or shoulder strap. It's designed for easy transport and storage, making it convenient for use anywhere. You can choose between stick and lift TIG modes. It has adjustable hot start and arc force for smoother welding. Anti-stick features prevent electrodes from sticking. It's suitable for various metal materials. The ARCCAPTAIN welder has passed professional tests and certifications. It's built with safety in mind, including overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating protection. It also comes with a 2-year quality support. What we like. This welder offers digital control for precise adjustments. It's a 2-in-1 machine, providing both stick and lift TIG welding options. It's also incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. If you like a portable welder with digital control for your welding tasks, you should consider this one. What people say. Can't believe how small and light this is. Works great on 1/4 steel. I was able to run 332 and 1/8 rods, both 6011 and 7018 type on a few different pieces that I was welding up, and it did better than I anticipated. Lightweight, easy to use, powerful little thing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.